Yes, I'm watching you. You have no idea that I'm watching you. Oh, you turned your back to me. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Did he leave? No, he didn't leave. Okay, I gotta clean myself a little bit. Oh! Spotted. He spotted you. It's like, what are you doing with that camera, bitch? Put that camera down. You suck at camera work. I know I do. You don't have to tell me. I just wanted you to see that I don't just think about myself, okay? You know, I notice things like that. I notice the birds and the trees and the sun. I mean, I know that the vortex knows that I notice the sun, okay? Since I complain about it quite often. They can't take that shit away. No matter what they try to do. They can't control that bird. I was telling this friend of mine that I'm like so jealous of the animal kingdom because they don't try to control the animal kingdom anywhere near as much as they try to control us. And because human beings are so stupid, we're pretty susceptible to being controlled and manipulated. But animals will just keep being animals, you know. It does seem like we're quite outnumbered by all the robots. People have voluntarily chosen to become robots. That's why I don't have any faith in the human race. But I do know that there are people out there, such as myself, who value humanity, and we value emotions and thoughts and questions and answers. I wish that there were a larger amount of us, but take what you can get. Ooh, look, look. That's what I was gawking at before, but I couldn't get him. No, he's over there. Hey, baby. Hey, baby, you gonna turn over here? Look at me, look at me. Oh, he heard me. Hello. Oh, you gonna touch yourself? He's like, I do what I want over here. Nobody can tell me what to do. See, they're friends, y'all. They're friends. How do you know they're friends? Why do you just assume that? Maybe they hate each other. Maybe one of them is planning to kill the other one. You have no idea. You don't know about the politics of these birds. Hey, look over here, baby. Look over here. Come on, baby. Don't do me like that. Don't give me the cold shoulder. Look back over here. Hey. Hey. All right. Maybe eventually I'll figure out how to work this camera. It's not really that hard to figure out since it's like a typical Canon that cost me like $200 something. Not very many people use actual video cameras anymore, unless they have one of those big ass high-tech video cameras. It's like $1,000 something. Like, I was thinking about getting a smartphone all for the purpose of just shooting things and immediately putting them up, but I just hate it so much. And it's really, really hard for me to get over that hatred. You know, it's kind of like people that hate Donald Trump, you know? They'll never get over it. Just like I'll never get over my hatred of all things modern. Don't say all things modern. You're driving a fucking car. Okay. A lot of things modern. Like everything that happened after 9/11. Like if we just go back to before the Twin Towers fell down on purpose, you know, that would be better. I mean, things have significantly changed since 9/11, you guys. A lot of people don't know that because they don't remember. They're so used to technology, they don't remember a time when we didn't do this all the time. This is so much fun. Having a remote control that controls me. Oh, by the way, so I just got out of the dentist. They are more old school than I am, okay? They don't even use credit cards. They must be Christians. They only accept cash, check, or money orders. That's pretty awesome. And I didn't even have to pay for this. Because the last dentist I saw, this bitch tried to tell me it was going to cost me almost $1,000 to clean my teeth. They told me here it was going to cost me like $150. That just proves right there that most doctors are full of shit. They'll try to get anything out of you that they possibly can. But if you know them personally, like this is a dentist that I used to see back in the day. These are the ones that my parents recommended to me. They're like, go back to the dentist you were seeing before. They're not going to charge you that much. I actually don't regret listening to my parents this time. Sometimes they're right about stuff. But yeah. It's like this is a much better way of life than the one that so many people keep insisting upon. You know? What's going to happen if like technology fails? Nobody's going to know how to do anything. Nobody's going to know how to survive. Nobody's going to know how to take care of themselves because they're so used to a phone having all the answers. And the powers that be, they trust that the sheep are stupid and that they're not going to look up the right thing. Because, you know, there are plenty of apps that are, you know, positive for the human race. There are plenty of websites that are positive for the human race. I mean, you can even use Twitter in a positive way, but most people don't. Most people just use that website to tear other people apart and not have to take any responsibility for anything that they say. Forgive me for not having faith in the human race based on Twitter alone, but I realize that there are a lot of people that still think like me. At least I hope so anyway. So you gotta have hope wherever possible to have hope. I know I'm not the only one out here, but you think that if you go on Twitter. Anyway. Goodbye, birdies. Goodbye. They're ignoring me on purpose. But anyway, I had to tape the battery onto this camera with electrical tape. I can't really show you because it's literally impossible for me to film that since it's on the back of the camera. But yeah, so they did something to my teeth because they said I was grinding. So hopefully I won't have to get the tooth removed, but I really hope. I know I'm grinding my teeth. They said that ever since the COVID thing started, they have all these people coming in, complain about how much their teeth hurt, and it's because they're all grinding their teeth. Fucking government, right? People are so anxious, they're so afraid. These pieces of shit know exactly what they're doing, and that's exactly why they're doing it.